Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Leo season and I have a new nail art look inspired by the fire sign featuring the Leo shade of the season from Butter London Zodiac Nail Vault. This is the 12th video in my Zodiac series, and if you want to see the unboxing of this kit and the swatches of the 12 shades, I'll leave a card in the corner of your screen and in the description box below, along with the playlist with my other nail art designs featuring the other Zodiac shades. The Leo shade in the Zodiac Nail Vault is Ace, which is described as a vibrant orchid cream polish that roars with royalty. According to Leo astrology, Leos are dramatic, creative, in love with life, and try to laugh and have a good time. And for today's nail art, I stuck with the feline theme and used Ace in an ombre leopard print design. I'm starting off this look with Cotton Buds, which is a white cream polish, as my base for the nail art, and I'm going to apply 2 coats for full opacity. Next, for the leopard spots, I'm going to use a medium-sized dotting tool and English lavender to paint a few random blobs of different shapes and sizes on the top half of my nail. I'll repeat that with Ace, the darker orchid purple cream, on the lower half of my nail. Then I'll use a small dotting tool, dip it into Earl Grey, which is a dark charcoal gray polish, and create some C shapes to outline the purple spots. And I use the same dotting tool in Earl Grey to fill in some of the empty white spaces in between the spots, and all the polishes that I'm using in this video are part of the Zodiac Nail Vault. Finally, I'm going to finish off this design with a layer of the Hardware Shine UV Top Coat, which is a fast-drying glossy top coat, and it also comes in the Zodiac kit. And here is the finished purple ombre leopard print design. So that's all for today's nail art video. If you want to see more nail art featuring the shades from the Butter London Zodiac Nail Vault, then be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss out on the final video of this series. And if you want to check out the swatches of the polishes from the Zodiac Nail Vault, or my last design featuring the Cancer shade Cotton Buds, you can check out those videos or the playlist by clicking the link on your screen or in the description below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!